Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's article, LNG Spotlight Next Decade. In today's article, we've got a drawing of the proposed Next Decade Rio Grande LNG facility in Brownsville, Texas, showing potential future development sites along with the current development model at this time. NextDecade Corporation continues to gain momentum in the U.S. LNG sector, with its Rio Grande LNG project making significant strides. The company's latest business updates highlight construction progress, long term sales agreements, and the future expansion plans that could make Rio Grande LNG one of the largest LNG export terminals in the U.S. Phase 1 progress and off-takers. The first phase of the project includes trains 1, 2, and 3, with a total nameplate capacity of 17.6 million tons per year, or MTPA if you like. Train 1 is expected to start production in 2027. NextDecade has secured long-term sales agreements with several major off-takers, including Shell, with a 20-year agreement for 2 MTPA, ENGIE 15-year agreement for 1.75, TotalEnergies a 20-year agreement for 5.4, and China Gas with a 20-year agreement for 1 MTPA, Enos with a 15-year agreement for 0.92 MTPA, and Galp with a 20-year agreement for 1 MTPA. The future expansions, up to 10 trains. NextDecade is actively working to commercialize trains 4 and 5, which would bring Rio Grande LNG's total capacity to 27 MTPA. Beyond that, the company plans to file with FERC for Train 6 in 2025 and is in the early stages of developing Trains 7 and 8. There is even the potential for Trains 9 and 10, which would double the original project size. Sustainability and CCS initiative. NextDecade was previously prioritizing carbon reduction through its carbon capture and storage, or CCS, project. This initiative is currently on hold, but would align with global efforts to reduce emissions while ensuring energy security. With strong commercial backing and an ambitious expansion plan, NextDecade is set to play a critical role in the U.S. LNG exports and global energy markets. If you'd like to learn more, please hit the links here in the article below, currently showing the 2024 fourth quarter business update and the investor presentation for NextDecade LNG. Let's go over the Rio Grande LNG timeline. The timeline starts with May 2016, when NextDecade filed with FERC for the application for Rio Grande LNG. Moving forward, in 2019, in April, milestone number 3, NextDecade and Shell executed a 2 MTPA for phase 1. Moving forward, you can look at milestone number 5. FERC authorized the siting, construction, and operation of Rio Grande LNG in November of 2019. Moving forward from there, some very heavy activity at milestone number 7, which was in March 2022 through January 2023, when they completed the sales and purchase agreements with ENN, ENGIE, China Gas, Guangdong Energy, ExxonMobil, Galp, and Ituchu Corporation. As you can see, going forward, in June of 2023, NextDecade executed a 5.4 MTPA SPA with TotalEnergies, the largest. And going forward, on July of 2023, in milestone number 10, NextDecade announced the FID for Rio Grande LNG Phase 1 and began construction. Looking forward, milestone number 11, Rio Grande LNG has completed an SPA with ADNOC, which is the Abu Dhabi National Oil Corporation, and a heads of agreement with Saudi Aramco for Rio Grande LNG train number 4. So looking forward, you can see that there's an ambitious plan to continue to develop this project and potentially go up as high as 10 trains. Amazing. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.